Assalamualaikum students. I hope you are all fine. Today is your 17th online class of class 9 Federal Board. Subject is chemistry. Today we will discuss covalent bond and its types. Learning object of this lecture. At the end of this lecture you will be able to define covalent bonds, types of covalent bonds, and electron dot and cross structures of covalent compounds. First we discuss covalent bond. Covalent bond is formed by mutual sharing of electron between two atoms. On the basis of sharing of electron between atoms, there are three types of covalent bond: single covalent bond, double covalent bond, and triple covalent bond. First we discuss single covalent bond. A single covalent bond consists of two atoms held together by sharing one pair of electrons or two electrons. Consider the formation of single covalent bond in hydrogen molecule. A hydrogen atom has a single valence electron. Two hydrogen atoms share their valence electrons to achieve the electronic configuration of the noble gas and form a diatomic molecule. Now, second type is double covalent bond. Sometimes atoms attain noble gas configuration by sharing two or three pairs of electrons. A double covalent bond is a bond that involves two shared pair of electrons or four electrons. Consider the formation of oxygen molecule. Oxygen is in group 6A, so it has 6 electrons in the valence shell. It needs 2 electrons to complete its octet. Thus, each oxygen atom shares 2 electrons and achieve electronic configuration of a noble gas. Third type of covalent bond is triple covalent bond. A triple covalent bond is a bond that involves 3 shared pair of electrons or 6 electrons. Consider the formation of nitrogen molecule. Nitrogen is in group 5A, so it has 5 electrons in the valence shell. It needs 3 electrons to complete its octet. Thus, each nitrogen atom shares 3 electrons and achieve electronic configuration of a noble gas. Now, we discuss how we draw the electron dot and cross structure for simple covalent molecules. Let us consider the example of methane, which contains single covalent bond. We know that carbon has 4 electrons in the valence shell and it needs 4 electrons to complete its octet. Hydrogen has only one valence electron and needs 1 electron to complete duplet. So, carbon is central atom. Arrange hydrogen atom around it. Since carbon needs 4 electrons and there are 4 hydrogen atoms, so it will share its 1 electron with each hydrogen atom. Second example is the formation of carbon dioxide, which contain double covalent bond. As we know that carbon has 4 electrons in the valence shell, it needs 4 electrons to complete its octet. Each oxygen atom has 6 valence electrons and needs 2 electrons to complete its octet. So, carbon is a central atom. Arrange oxygen atom around it. Since carbon needs 4 electrons and there are only 2 oxygen atoms, so it will share its 2 electrons with each oxygen atom. The next example is hydrogen cyanide, which contain triple covalent bond. We know that hydrogen has 1, carbon has 4 and nitrogen has 5 valence electrons. Carbon needs 4 electrons and nitrogen needs 3 electrons. So, carbon share 1 electron with hydrogen to form a single covalent bond and 3 electrons with nitrogen to form a triple covalent bond to complete its octet. Now it's time to give you some home assignment. Do self-assessment exercise 4.6 and 4.7. Review question number 2, 6 and 7. So that's all for today. Thank you.